100% PVC free with Peva linings. Superior quality closed-cell polyethylene foam insulation keeps food fresh. Detailed screen-printed graphics on nylon or polyester. Comfortable, padded carrying handle. K41012006 Scooby-Doo Mystery Machine Novelty Lunch Kit. Product makes sound. Top reviews from the United States. It will keep your beer cold. I've been a huge Hanna Barbera fan my entire life. Last year I dressed up as Scooby for Halloween and I got this lunchbox to serve as my purse beer cooler for a party. Now I use it to carry my lunch to school and work. I get compliments on it daily. The main fabric that the handle is connected to looks like it is beginning to wear out. In the future it may rip from the weight of its contents.